Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to do the reading for the week, that is the week from the 20th of September till the 26th of September, that is the Sunday. So Monday 20th September till the 26th of September, that is Sunday. So let's start our reading, but before I start my reading, I would like you to please go ahead and like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. I am on Facebook as well as on Insta. So please go ahead and like my page there. So let's start with our reading, and we start with the first sign, and that is Aries. So I'm going to pick up 3 cards for people born under the sign of Aries, and as always I will be giving timestamps in the description, so you can go ahead and go to that timestamp and click on the sign, your birth sign. Let's go ahead and pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Aries. People born under the sign of Aries, this week is going to be really good for you. Where your work is concerned, where your career is concerned, I see a good actually a moment ahead in your career. I see a moment where you will be moving ahead in your career. I see good things, good news coming for you where your relationship are concerned, where your family is concerned. So that is a positive thing that is going to happen to you. Just keep your ears and eyes open during making any major decision where your work is concerned, or any aspects of your life, like relationship or career or health, whatever you are doing or you are seeing. Just make sure that whatever it is, everything you look around, see it properly, and then go ahead with whatever. But definitely where your relationship is concerned, I see some enjoyment, some moment where there is going to be a celebration because the news that you have been waiting for is going to come to you. So I see a happiness, yes, but a little bit of things that you have to pay attention is keep your eyes and ears open, read the documents properly, or just pay attention. The happiness, the joy might let you not see that little minute details. So just be careful with that. Otherwise your week is wonderful where your career is concerned. There is a moment. Relationship is also good. I see a forward moment in both career as well as your relationship. Health looks fine also, so there shouldn't be a problem. The finance, if I see, the finance remains the same. I don't see any much. You can see this is not the week where you will get money, but whatever you have is going to be safe with you. So that's for Aries. Also now we'll go ahead and do the second sign, and that is Taurus. So I'm going to put 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. For the people born under the sign of Taurus, I'll start with relationship first. Where relationship are concerned, there are issues that might show up, but it's not a major issue where you will have a fight or will you have an argument or there is a break in your relationship. But there is somewhere that moment that might come in your relationship where you feel like the other one is bossing over, or maybe they want like one person, or the one person in the relationship might feel that that person is overpowering you somewhere. So that's where that difference of opinion and everything will come, but not a major fight in the relationship. So you shouldn't be worried about it, because what is happening this week is a week where there is a lot of dominance. There is a lot of things that you will feel that people are dominating on you. So where your relationship are concerned, there are chances that you will feel that the overpowering and everything is coming from your partners or your loved ones. So just take care of that. Where your finance is concerned, yes, I do see you are going to invest into something, or you are going to get a finance where you will be able to invest in good stuff, or you are going to keep your money safe this week. So somewhere where you are going to have some money, but you will not spend it. You are going to keep it safe or maybe invest it. So that kind of money is going to come to you this week. Where relationship are concerned, I already told you about it. Where your health is concerned, just be very very careful not to think too much, not to take pressure, not to take tensions on little things, or emotionally don't feel like sad or something if someone is overpowering you in some way and you're not able to do anything. So that's where a little bit of tension and stress might give you some kind of problem related to your head, like maybe pressure or stress or sinus or migraine, basically affecting your nervous system. So just take care of that, otherwise your week looks fine. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Gemini, people born under the sign Gemini. Pick 3 cards born for the people born under the sign Gemini. For people born under the sign of Gemini, where your work is concerned, career is concerned, I see still a wait. So whatever you are expecting that moment, or maybe a promotion or anything this week, I see a wait. Of course the wait is not going to be negative, the card is positive, so your wait is going to give you whatever you're waiting for, basically, for so many days or so many weeks, you're going to get a very positive result, but maybe not this week. We can check it next week, but yes, definitely there is a wait where your career is concerned, where your growth is concerned. So just give it some time, and it should come to you. Where your relationship are concerned, yes, there is definitely a moment ahead in your relationship. There is a travel where you are going to meet your people, your family members, your someone near and dear ones. So there will be a little bit of joy and enjoyment, and that love, that affection that is going to come in the relationship this week. Where your finance is concerned, definitely I see an increase. So money is going to come to you this week from somewhere, and you will see a little bit of increase in your finance condition. Where your health is concerned, I don't see any issues, because this is the week where you're going to meet your friends, your family, you might travel, so it is going to be a fun-filled week for you. So that's it for Gemini, and now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer. Quick 3 cards. People born in the sign of Cancer, first of all, just one advice this week is you might be surrounded with negative people, so just be very very careful about that and stay protected this week from the negative people around you, the people who are not your well-wishers. Okay, now we'll go ahead and start with the finances concerned. Finance, I definitely see a growth, a slow growth, but you will see the growth this week coming to you. So that's where the finance is concerned. Where the progress of your career, your work is concerned, definitely I see some kind of positive progress coming your way. And this week I see a forward moment, so maybe there might be some level up kind of a thing coming to you, or maybe a promotion coming to you, but definitely there is something that is a forward moment where your career is concerned. Where your relationship are concerned, the cards look fine. I mean, it is positive, it's not going to be bad this week. You are going to meet new people, no doubt about it. Spend good time with the people around you, but also the card is telling you to be very very careful of the negative people around you, the negativity around you. Stay protected and everything should work fine. The health is concerned, I don't see any problem where your health is related, so everything looks positive. So that's it for Cancer. We'll go ahead and do Leo now. Quick 3 cards for Leo. Where people born under the Leo sign, where your finance condition is concerned, there is, if I see a little, you won't get what you have expected, but yes, there is definitely a sign of some increase in finance. So not as much as you expected, but definitely a forward move where your finance is concerned. So and if I see your career, there is still a wait or a waiting period where your career is concerned. If you're looking for the promotion, the growth, this is not the right week for you to expect a positive thing coming out of your career or a growth in your career. There is still a wait that is showing. So career wise also there is some wait. Also there are a lot of, in fact, opportunities that will be coming to you this week. So I will tell you, just see to the opportunities that is coming to you and try to grab the right opportunities that are coming to you this week, because somewhere what is happening is the opportunities are coming to you, but you are not seeing it, or you are not able to you can say accept the opportunities coming your way. So you have to see what opportunities are good for you and take the offer if it's needed. Somewhere you are waiting for the right offer, but already there are a lot of offers coming your way where your career is concerned, but you are not seeing it. So this week is the week when you need to pay attention to the offers you get where your career is concerned, where your work is concerned, and definitely you will see a positive result. Where your relationship are concerned, yes, it's a normal week for you guys. There is nothing too bad or nothing too good happening this week where your relationship are concerned. So it's going to be a normal week where relationship is concerned. Health looks fine. I don't see any problems with the health this week for you guys. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. Cards for people born under the sign Virgo. For the people born under the sign of Virgo, this week is you might not see, if I take the finance, there is not a much increase in the finance, yes, but you might get some good news where your money is concerned this week. So there will be news maybe coming, okay, there will be a pay increase, but not this week. Okay, or maybe you will be getting some money from somewhere, but not this week. Is not something that you will be getting it. You might get the news of it. Also there is a forward movement where your career is concerned. I do see some kind of forward movement, so there are chances that you might get promoted, or you might get a increase in your the level you're working, or maybe some positive result coming out of your career. Also this week I see a sudden change coming, maybe a sudden change of workplace, or maybe a sudden change of your house, or sudden change of something that will be sudden kind of a thing. So you just be very, very careful this week. Whatever will be happening very suddenly for you guys. So there might be a sudden change of the if you think sudden change of the house, if you're planning to change your house, or sudden change of a career if you're planning to change your career. So there will be something happening this week that will be like a shock to you. Okay, so just be ready for that this week. But the cards are positive. Yes, health wise I always when this card comes and it does come true that you have to be very, very careful about your leg pain, or any kind of issues related to leg. So just be careful where your health is concerned. Relationship looks normal, nothing too bad, nothing too good this week. Yes, definitely a career movement ahead is seen. A news on finance is also seen somewhere, and a sudden changes for the Virgo people. We'll go ahead and do Libra now. 3 cards for Libra. For the Librans, if I see, there is some kind of travel where your relationship are concerned. So I do see a traveling coming your way, maybe a news of traveling that is going to come your way, and definitely it shows a travel. You might travel this week, where your relationship are concerned, or where you're means meet someone, or to meet your family, or something like that. Small travel is seen this week for you guys. Also, the card is suggesting that this is a week where you will be kind of this is a week where actually you don't want to see what is happening around you. You want to stay in that kind of thing where you want to just close your eyes and not see what is happening around you. But by not doing that, or by doing that, it is something like, you can say, you are going to miss a lot of opportunities coming your way. So just look around. Don't close your eyes and just follow anything blindly. Look around, because this card is suggesting that this week something that needs to be looked around. You are ignoring the stuff that is going to come to you this week, and you will have to open your eyes and see what exactly is happening around you. Finance condition, definitely there is a financial growth coming your way. I do see an increase in the finance, and in a good way for the Librans. So that is a good way. Your health is concerned, I don't see any problems coming where your health is concerned. The health is going to be normal for Librans. There is no bad health or bad signs of any bad health coming. And where the career is concerned, like I told you, career is also going to be normal. There is no up and downs in your career. So career is going to be perfect, normal. Relationship wise, yes, you're going to enjoy, because you are going to travel because of relationship. Maybe a small travel, you can say, yes. But where your work front is concerned, where the people around are concerned, your work, you have to keep your eyes open and look around before making any final decision. So that's it for Librans. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. Three cards for Scorpions. For the people born under the sign of Scorpio, I do see this week is going to be a little stressful for you. You are going to take burden of your work, of your family this week. So you are going to feel overburdened, you can say, this week. So take it easy this week. So where your work is concerned, yes, there is a lot of work issues coming your way. There is a lot of burden from work coming your way. Also, where your finance is concerned, yes, I do see you are waiting for some kind of finance coming your way, or you are expecting some kind of money to come this week for you. But I still see a way. So this might not be the week where you will get the money that you are waiting for, the finance you are waiting for. Where your career is concerned, like I told you, there is burden coming. There is a little bit of more stress coming to you this week. So just deal with it, stay calm, and meditate. That will keep you at peace. Also, where your relationship are concerned, I do see a good relation, of course, but there are a lot of emotions that will be involved in relationship, any kind of relationship this week. So you can say a mixed feeling where your relationship are concerned. So it can be a lot of emotions of love, basically positive emotions that will come to you this week where your relationship are concerned. So career, burden, more work is coming your way. Money, still a weight is coming. You still will not get what you're expecting this week. Health wise, because of the stress or something, you might get that headache, or might have some body pain or something, but nothing major. So that's it for Scorpio. We'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. So we will do 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. Quick 3 cards. Born under the sign of Sagittarius. Okay, people born under the sign of Sagittarius, first thing the card has guided me is you have to do a donation or some kind of you can say feeding poor people, or donation basically this week to cut the obstacle that is coming your way where your finance is concerned. So the card is suggesting to do this week. Make sure you feed the poor people or donate something to the poor people. That will help you for the blockages that are coming to you where your finance is concerned. Also this week, for the Sagittarius people, you have to be very careful of the people who are doing something behind your back. You can say a thief or a robber, or who's robbing your ideas, or basically who's basically taking your ideas away from you, or someone. It can also happen that someone working at your place is doing something behind your back that you don't know. Maybe a thief, or maybe some kind of a robbery, taking stuff from your wallet, or taking stuff from your drawer, or in fact using your ideas to move ahead. So it's some kind of things like that. You have to be very careful, Sagittarius people. But there is a growth that is showing in your career. So career growth is definitely there this week. You are going to move ahead where your career is concerned. Your relationship looks fine, but because of this card that has come, I would also suggest that be very careful about your relationship. Check out what is happening behind your back, or maybe whatever you're seeing is not the right thing that you're seeing. So just go and under any particular issue that you feel is not right. So financially, yes, it will get better if you feed some poor people, or do some kind of donation. So this week the obstacle in your finances will not come. Your career, definitely I see a growth. Relationship is going to be the normal. Just see around, keep your eyes open. And where your health is concerned, the health looks normal also. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. So 3 cards for Capricorn. Quick 3 cards for Capricorn people. For people born under the sign of Capricorn, I do see a travel coming your way where your relationship is concerned. So it's a very good, happy moment for you. You are going to meet your relatives. Maybe you will go and meet your friends this week. But it is a fun-filled week where your relationship are concerned. But at that same time, there is also a situation where there are a lot of people arguing, or there are a lot of people fighting for little issues. So that kind of. But it is a kind of a week where you are going to enjoy a lot where your relationship are concerned, but somewhere there is also going to be some kind of arguments or some kind of things that is going to give you a little bit of stress. Also be very careful about the people who are stealing behind your back, maybe your ideas, or maybe your work, or maybe any money from the wallet, or maybe even people working at your place, your home maids, or something somewhere will go missing. So just be very careful about that thing. Where your health is concerned, I don't see any problems where your health is concerned. So health is normal. Traveling where your relationship is concerned, so it's going to be a very happy week for you guys. Career growth is going to be the same. It's not going to be too great or too bad. It's going to be normal, yes, but there will be some arguments or some kind of fight between people happening this week. So just be very ready for it and take it as it comes. So that's it for Capricorn. Now we'll go ahead and do Aquarius. So now 3 cards for people born under the sign of Aquarius. People born under the sign of Aquarius, I do see a very good happy moment coming your way where your relationship are concerned. You are going to meet new people, you are going to build up new relationship, or people who are looking for a relationship. This is a week where it is going to be positive for you. Where your relationship are concerned, it is a very positive week for you. You will be blessed this week. Also, where your career is concerned, or wherever the forward movement, where your work or studies or anything is concerned, I do see a growth. I see opportunities coming your way. So this is the week where you need to grab the opportunities to move forward. So where your career is concerned, definitely more opportunities coming your way. Relationship looks fine, because I see you are blessed this week where your relationship is concerned. So a lot of good friends, a lot of new friendship, meeting new people is going to come your way. You also have to be very, very careful about the people behind your back stealing your ideas or stealing things from you. So just be very, very careful about those kind of people. Where your career is concerned, definitely opportunities coming your way. Relationship looks fine. Your health, I don't see any kind of problems where your health are concerned. Finance is going to be the same as it was before. Not much growth seen this week where your finance is concerned. So now the last sign, that is the Pisces. So we'll go ahead and do Pisces. People born under the sign Pisces, definitely a growth where your finance is concerned. So I see a lot of growth, or whatever you're expecting coming to you this week from an unknown source. Maybe sudden growth in finance is seeing this week for you guys. Also, I see a lot of where your opportunities are concerned, where your career is concerned. I do see a lot of opportunities coming your way, but somewhere you are not in the right mind, or you are not thinking right maybe to accept that opportunity. So make sure this week whatever opportunities come your way, don't fight it back. Just try to think over it, try to see what exactly those opportunities are where your career is concerned, and move ahead. Also, there is a lot of ideas going on in your mind right now where your work is concerned, that you are confused. So you have to meditate, or you have to come to one idea this week where you can move ahead. So that this week is going to be a little week where you are going to be a little confused where your career is concerned, but you will work out the situation. And I think this is the week you will get few choices that you can choose from where your career is concerned. Where relationship is concerned, it looks normal. I don't see any you can say a growth in the relationship. So whatever your relationship are till now, it's going to be the same. Nothing bad, nothing good. Also, where your health is concerned, I don't see any problems where your health is concerned. The health looks fine, so there is no problem with your health. Finance, definitely there is a growth. Opportunities coming your way. Relationship is positive because I don't see any negative card to it. Health also looks fine. So that's it for Pisces. We are done with the week's reading from the 20th of September, that is Monday, to the 26th of September, that is Sunday. Also, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Facebook as well as on Instagram. Please go ahead and like the page there. That's it for now. Stay blessed, stay positive, and